4 years ago, we made a decision that transformed our lives forever. We bought an old VW van, not adventure ready, not in great shape, but full of potential. We spent months working on it ourselves, learning as we went. First, we had to strip it back completely. Under layers of grime and dust was a blank canvas waiting to be brought back to life. We scrubbed, cleaned and prepped every inch before we could even begin the real transformation. Piece by piece, we rebuilt it, insulating the walls, designing storage, fitting electrics, and shaping it into the camper we had envisioned. It was hard work, but every challenge taught us something new. Slowly, what was once a tired old van became a space built for adventure. And when it was finally ready, so were we. And just like that, boom, suddenly we had created something magical. More than just a mini holiday home on wheels, we had built a gateway to adventure, a van that could take us anywhere we wanted. Our first adventure took us to Dumfries, Scotland, a simple trip, but the start of something much bigger. From there, we never looked back. We've driven the NC500, explored the Isle of Skye and taken it across Europe, from the winding roads of France and the alpine passes of Austria to the historic streets of Slovakia and the lakes of Poland and beyond. Over the years, we've made many upgrades to our camper, including some external changes, taking it from a builder's van to a fully equipped camper with custom touches that have made it truly ours and helped it evolve alongside our adventures. This van has become more than just a vehicle. It became our escape, a cabin on wheels that has carried us through some of our greatest adventures to date. It's given us the freedom to go wherever the road leads us, to wake up in new places, and to experience the world on our own terms. And the best part, the journey isn't over yet. Whilst exploring the depths and hidden gems of Iceland, trekking across glaciers, winding through vast lava fields and soaking in the raw, untouched beauty of its landscapes, we had a realization. This wasn't just another trip, it was a spark. We wanted to go further, to push beyond the well-trodden paths and venture into the wildest, most remote corners of the world, to experience places few get to see, embrace the unknown, and make the most of every opportunity, while we have the health and ambition to do it, because you never know what life will bring. So we acted on a bigger dream. When we got home, we made a bold decision. We bought a Land Rover Defender 110, a vehicle built for adventure, but in its current state, it was far from ready. To turn it into the ultimate expedition rig, we had to strip it right back, removing old panels, gutting the interior, and getting down to the bare bones of the build. We've spent countless hours researching, planning, and learning everything from off-grid power systems to custom storage solutions, all to create something capable of taking us further than ever before. And right now, we're in the middle of bringing that vision to life. Every day, we're working on building this Defender into a home on wheels, one that will carry us through the Arctic tundra of Norway, across the vast deserts of Africa, and deep into the wilderness of Canada. The dream is big and the journey is just beginning, but one thing's for sure, this adventure is only getting started. If you love adventure or just enjoy following along on ours, we'd love to have you with us. Join as we build, explore and chase the unknown, getting inspired, pushing boundaries and making the most of every journey. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button. It really supports our channel, it's free to do, and it just helps us grow, allowing us to keep sharing our adventures with you. So follow along, there's so much more to come.